644. Prince Harry recently talked about how he uses a certain type of therapy called EMDR, saying the technique helped him with anxiety and trauma.
New this morning, WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan went to find out more about it and who offers it locally.
Just allow yourself to think about all the things that make you feel happy.
Kirsten Miller
Take a breath.
is 3 months into EMDR therapy.
It was something that was a little taboo to say I need therapy and that I need to try something that it is not common. But for me, trying that new experience was a little thrilling in a sense.
The technique, formerly called eye movement, desensitization, and reprocessing, involves light touch.
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm a whole new person now.
She now swears by it.
It really brought to light some things that I had buried deep inside me that I didn't know I was holding inside me.
Licensed psychotherapist Jen Tomko is thrilled the technique is in the news.
I'm over the moon about the fact that Prince Harry is talking about EMDR because it's not as well known as I would like it to be, because it's an incredibly powerful technique for most people.
The therapist needs specialized training.
It's a laborious process.
She says traditionally there is an eye movement back and forth technique.
For some people who don't like the eye movements, that you can actually provide a tapping motion in order to get that same experience, which is the bilateral stimulation.
Tomko says it's a different approach to get to the same spot in therapy.
Nobody knows exactly why this works, but what we do know is that it helps us almost bypass the conscious mind and get to a deeper level of understanding what's going on. The closest thing I can come to is hypnosis, but it's not. You're completely coherent and available, and there's no trance that you're in.
And while it involves touch and stimulation, it doesn't have to be the therapist doing the touching.
I use hand motions when I'm doing it virtually. Other people can actually self-tap.
Miller says it's a turning point to reframe her mindset and thinking.
I live a much happier life now.